Slowly. And then you have a nice fork. Adi. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Oh, Messi mama.
Sitaki uso yako.
Sit and finish your. Sit slowly. You cover the white spaces.
Slowly.
Well done, Kian.
Sit down.
Yes, I need you to cover the white space.
Not even spiders, she can't get sick. She can't get sick. AJ, no. Finally the sun is out. I can feel the rays of the sun. It's been a cold morning. Yay! Can you feel the sun? It's getting warm. Let me see.
I'm not running myself.
It's not. I just want to see a bit of what you've done. I like creative minds.
What is feeling gaming? Happy. Gaming.
That's
happy.
nice. Finish.
Yeah, this one happy. Gaming's happy.
These are rough.
No, this is my friend.
I use a clean.
Okay, same thing.
A shark from where?
Sharks are only in the depth.
In the fresh water. They don't go in the swamp.
It's too shallow for them.
Yep.
Sharks go in the ocean. And what is that fish inside here?
No, there are no fishes. There are no fishes inside here.
Oh, sharks!
Maybe frogs.
I've never seen a real frog.
I have.
Okay, I need to wash my
I've seen them on Google. I've seen them on in the pond.
life. We have only one life. Only one life.
The other one?
The other one I'm not really finished.
Okay.
But
Let's go.
The nature is beautiful. No one should destroy nature. The swamp is muddy and icky. Flowers are beautiful. Waterfalls, natural water. So beautiful trees. So tall. And nature, trees so tall. And nature is so green. Take care of nature in Karura Forest. Notice poem.
Dear guys, back to where it began. Never burn bridges. Musichome bridges. Never. So that you can go back, say hi, and live again in peace. Back to where it started. But I don't mind outdoors. Outdoors is my thing. Is my thing, oh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is artist Sarah, and in a school setup, as you can see. I'm in a school setup and I'm so tired. I'm from the forest, and I decided to come visit my former school that I was teaching in, and yeah, to go Harper. And it's a beautiful field. I love what they've done. You can just see what they've done. They have tennis court, then which is over here. This is the tennis court, and right over there is a basketball court. Then here in front is a football court. So I just decided to come and have a walk and say hi to people, and just, you know, say hello to people, my former colleagues and all. I love this school, and what really made me love this school, I'm at Epren, by the way. If you know, you know. I'm at Epren Academy. I loved school because the owner has really invested in a lot of outdoor things, outdoor games, outdoor stuff. And right now, I think this was going down the past few, how can I say it? The first few, from last year, they were renovating it. It was just an empty field with grass, and that was it. And right now it is a beautiful field that has nice grass and nice ambience. I wouldn't mind coming to do a race, a jog over here, marathon over here, training guys over here. Because as you know me, I love fitness, and fitness is just my thing. What I've learned over the years and what has really brought me back here is never burn bridges. Never burn bridges. Never burn bridges, no matter how things look like. Maintain good relationships. Even if you're exiting somewhere, do it with love, and do it in a peaceful way, that if you may need to go back just like I've done it, you'd easily go back and touch base. Just enjoy the space. I'm just hoping that at the corner, this right end, on that far end at the corner, they can put something for smaller kids or a swimming pool. That would be dope. That would be seriously dope. So why am I doing this video? I'm just doing this video because I was so honored and so thrilled and very excited to have been given the chance to come and work over here after the institutions I was in couldn't give me a chance. And I'm doing this not out of any bile or bitterness or anything. I forgive them, and yeah, it was just how God wanted it to be. I was never given a chance to run a class by myself, to be the main teacher. But when I came over here, I got the fully fledged chance to run a class, and I did running a class of 34 kids, and that was just breathtaking. And since we are here, we can do something. Why not? Why not? I was hoping to have my tripod, but since I don't have it, why not? Testing the ground. Since I'm from the forest, I can do some stretching. I can stretch. Oh, go down. Do the leg. Okay, and I can do reach high on tiptoes and come down and up. Down, up. Feels good. I can do languages. Yo, that feels good, man. Feels good. I had to test the ground. I had to. So guys, this was a simple video, just going back where it all began. I'm going to insert a clip of a class with a pal of mine. She's the one who hooked me up to the school. She just told me, come and try. If they take you, if they don't, it's another ball game. We'll keep looking for another school. So I'm super grateful to the one and only Winnie. I call her Guru. Yeah, so I'm so happy, super excited. I'm waiting for a meeting. I have a very crucial meeting with the head teacher, so I'm waiting for him to come back to the school. He told me to wait out. That's what we are doing, and as we do this, I can finish off by taking you guys for a walk in this field. Yeah. Why not? We used to come over here, different classes. Younger kids used to be in one side of the corner of the school, then older kids would be on another corner of the school, and we would do our thing. We would do different games, different things. So I just want to see how far I can stretch my legs, that I've really given a run for my mind, not that I didn't mind. And I want to trust God that I'm going to leave here before 6 o'clock so that I can go prepare for tomorrow's bike ride. The gears and the games that we are going to do before the bike ride. So as you can see, we are on the far end. I was right over there. See that grass, the way it looks nice? And then there's a birdie over there. There's a bird over here. There's a bird. So right over here has not been utilized. It's still here. We do some activities, you know. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Okay. That's how far I've come from. And that's how. This is the space I'm talking about. It's not being utilized, but thinking it's just where kids come to play. Yeah. So let's go back and end the video. It's been a minute. I just love the heart of investing on serious things like this, serious stuff like this, because I'm a strong believer of kids being on the outdoors, kids enjoying outdoors. I'm a strong believer. Kids should be let to be outside so that they can socialize easily. They can play, manipulate different equipment in the field if there is any, and they can just enjoy themselves. So as I end this video, if you live anywhere around Donholm vicinity, around Umoja, Buruburu, Fedha, Embakasi, and you'd like your child to be in this school, so bring your child, let your child come. So on that note, thank you for watching. See you on the next vlog. Ciao. This is Artist Sarah. Thank you for new subscribers. Keep subscribing. See you on the next one. Douches.